All right, today is Monday, June 13th, 2022. The markets have opened up lower here after they dipped lower last week following a higher than expected inflation report. If you want more clarity regarding what's going on in the markets, and I strongly recommend joining me the day after tomorrow, Wednesday at 9 a.m. for our next capital markets update and outlook call. We keep a close eye on the economy and the markets, and this is your opportunity to kind of look over our shoulder and see what we see. We'll cover the positives, and there are many. We'll cover the headwinds, both the ones that we're dealing with, as well as those that we are watching out for, and we'll give you our outlook for what we think is ahead. We host this call once a month, and we do it solely for your benefit. So again, I really encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity to get a well-balanced and objective view on current events. You can just head right on over to our website, www.investwithccg.com/events, or just click on events up at the top, and it will take you to our events page, and you can RSVP for that. So again, that's Wednesday, the day after tomorrow, 9 a.m. We will be live. Additionally, we have two important cybersecurity workshops coming up as a part of our continuing Capital Classroom education series. First, we have Hack-Proof Your Smartphone, where you're going to learn 8 steps to hack-proof your device, your handheld device that we use so often these days. And then later on in June, we have 1 hour to savvy cybersecurity, where we're going to talk about 10 threats every person and business faces and how to fight them now. So while you're at the website, feel free to go ahead and RSVP for those. You'll get the little reminder email a day ahead of time with instructions on how to log in. Then, looking out till next month on July the 13th, we have our capital markets update and outlook call for the month of July. The start of July marks the end of the first half of the year, so this will be a special update called our halftime report. For this monthly update, we will be live at Oak Ridge Country Club in Hopkins. Registration is now open. You may RSVP by calling Marilyn here at the office at 952-540-0153. Or you can go straight to our website. Registration link is there. Again, investwithccg.com/events. We'll start at 11 a.m. with lunch to follow, and it's going to be a great event. Be an hour and a half, 2 hours long tops. I sincerely hope that you can make it. Registration again is now open, so head on over to the website to reserve a seat. All right, I'm going to play the intro for this week's update, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. A higher than expected inflation report triggered a sell-off on Friday, leaving stocks in the red for the week. The Dow Jones Industrials Average lost 4.58%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 dropped 5.05%. The NASDAQ Composite Index slid 5.6% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, declined 1.81%. Stocks gyrated between gains and losses last week until sliding lower on Friday's hot inflation report, which heightened worries over a more aggressive Fed and a further economic slowdown. Stocks moved higher to begin the week despite rising bond yields, a profit warning from a major retailer, and Senate testimony by Secretary of Treasury Janet Yellen, who said that inflation was likely to remain elevated. Stocks turned lower later in the week on renewed concerns of an economic slowdown, sparked by a downward revision in the Federal Reserve Atlanta's real-time estimate of second quarter GDP growth and a drop in new mortgage applications. Investors lightening up on stocks ahead of Friday's inflation report may have also contributed to Thursday's selling. Consumer prices rose 8.6% year over year in May, marking the highest rate since December of 1981. Price increases over the last 12 months were driven by 34.6% jump in energy prices And by food costs, which climbed 10.1%, used car and truck prices, which had seen 3 straight months of declines, rose 1.8% from April, while airfares soared 12.6% in May. May's inflation exceeded economists' forecasts and dashed the hopes that inflation had plateaued. In a separate economic report on Friday, real wages, net of inflation, fell 0.6% in April and were lower by 3% from 12 months ago. As always, we will keep our thumb on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interest. If we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to visit to learn about our personalized approach by visiting smartmixportfolios.com and where you can learn more. All right, that is it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end today. I've got another riddle for you. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle is, I'll put it up here for you. What surrounds everyone and is the end of time and space? Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on YouTube, and we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you would like the answers to previous week's riddles, visit our website, go to investwithccg.com/riddles. We've got a nice library of riddles and the answers growing right there. Lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update with a lot of additional information that we are watching that's going on in the markets. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe at www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.